Guys, what is up? And today we're back with another unboxing video. I know you guys are like, why are you not uploading any more videos? Things are getting really busy with school these days, especially because I'm in a higher grade and things are getting like way more busy. But anyways, I'm back again, and as you can see, I've changed like a lot. And today I'm gonna be unboxing an Amazon package. Since I know Fidget Toys is the thing these days, I decided to get one of these, and I really like Fidget Toys, so I decided to share it with you guys. Kidding me, right? Alright, so let's open these up. So it's a lot of toys in here. Okay. You guys, make sure to correct me in the comments if the comments are even open. If I say one of the names wrong, okay? For the fidget toys. Alright. So first up, we have these eggs. I have no idea what these are. This tells me to put them in water, like room temperature water, for like 48 hours to 24 hours, just 1 or 2 days. So I have no idea what these are. And these are like really fidgety. I'm also gonna be rating the fidget toy from 1 to 10. So these I really like. They're very fidgety. So for fidget, I'm gonna give them like a 5, and for like cool design and cool way of using them, that's gonna be another 5. So a 10 out of 10 for these. These, I have 2 of them, green and gold. I think these are how you're supposed to use them. These are kind of like not really that fidgety, but they could get useful sometimes. And yeah, that's it for that. And Rubik's Cubes. They're really fun to play with, but these are the mini cubes and they're always really stiff, so yeah. I give this like a 5.5 out of 10. So this is a 10. This is like a 4.9 for the ring things. And the eggs, I still have no idea, but they look pretty cool. So the eggs I'm not gonna rate yet. These, we got scissors for a reason for these bags. Alright, and this is more like squishy. You could just squish it around a lot. And yeah, these are like a 7.5 out of 10. That's pretty good. And bite chain, I think that's what it's called. I think this is a bite chain. This is like kind of an infinity loop, kind of. It's pretty cool, I like it. It's an infinity loop, basically. It's very fidgety, so that's like a 7. But then for like the way it's shaped and all that stuff, that's like a 2.5. That's pretty reasonable. A 2.5. So it has a 9.5 on all the toy on the bite chain. And for the stress ball, the stress ball is pretty cool, but it has nothing in it, so it's still pretty good. I like it. I mean, and plus all of these ratings are just my opinion on it. You guys probably have different opinions on this, but this is like a 9.5 altogether, because like I really like stress balls. And then this maze thing, this is pretty hard. It doesn't really relieve stress. It is a fidget though. it doesn't really relieve stress like all the fidgets, but it's still pretty fun. If you like have a lot of time you do it, it's like really fun to play with. And this football thing, it's basically like a stress ball, like they're both like really squishy. That and this is like that. Basically the same thing, but this one's just obviously a different shape and it's like harder to squish than the stress ball. But otherwise, this is like a, I don't know, a 5.9 out of 10. That's pretty good. An infinity cube. I'm probably gonna make a video on me recoloring this, because this is not colors that I would normally put on my stuff. But yeah, otherwise this is really like really nice and very fidgety. So that's like a 10 out of 10 for sure. I really like these. They're really fun to play with. Alright, and these things. In my opinion, these things are pointless, but you could still play with them. They're pretty fun. They do waste your time, but like in the good way, like the good way stuff kind. And for these slimy things, they're very fidgety, like really fidgety. I really like them though. They're very flexible, as you can see. You could always spin them up like this and do all that stuff with them. That, you could always spin them up. They're pretty cool, I like them. I give these like a 8 out of 10 because these are really fun. And the poppets, everyone's favorite. Well, most people's favorite. Scissors, I'm not gonna need you for now. These are really satisfying. Like you just push them down. And in my opinion, these are like, I really like them. And the fact that you could always just go around and flip them again is even better. It's not like press it like a lot of times, like 10 times and then just done. Like these are like infinite. And I really like the dinosaur shape. I don't think it's gonna stand up though. But this is definitely a 10 out of 10 because I really like these. And this unicorn puppet is pretty cool. I like the shape of it. I like the design. If you guys didn't notice, they have like little dinosaurs on it. It's not really that clear, but they have like dinosaurs on the actual pop, the popper thing. You guys could see, yeah, there. You guys could see it a little bit on the yellow. And the unicorn has unicorns on it. That's pretty clear. And now for these things. I used to really like playing with them, and then I just forgot about them, but oh, these are really satisfying. They're very fidgety to play with. And yeah, I give these a 9 out of 10 for sure. Because they're like really flexible. And they're definitely pocket fit, as you can see. That, just put them in your pocket. It is a little puffy when it's in your pocket, but it still works. I mean, I really like these. So, yeah, this is 9 out of 10, in my opinion, though. So, yeah. So this is a fidget spinner with Simple Dimple on it, I think that's what it's called. I'm not that sure, but it's what it is. And just cut it open and see how it really feels. It's very light, like it's really light. It's nothing like a normal fidget spinner. Like it's way lighter than one. Like I can't even feel it. I really like it though. These I give a 9.5 because it's really close to 10, but not quite. So after this, I'm gonna review all the trash in the box real quick. And I think this is for the unicorn fidget. The hook thing. Alright, yeah, so we have the dinosaur puppet. This is gonna be really quick because we like quick, right? Okay, so this is a dinosaur puppet. We'll just go ahead and pop it. It's really satisfying and fun. Very time consuming in a good way. And this is the infinity cube. I really like it because it's just goes on and on and on. And it never ends. And I love how it goes in the same direction every time. So most of these toys I have a really positive opinion on them, but some of them not so much. So the unicorn puppet is really a puppet. There's really no difference, but it's really satisfying to play with like the dinosaur. And the fidget, I have no idea what these are called. I think it's like snake something. I don't think so though. These are very flexible and they turn a lot with you. And I really like that. So yeah. And the simple dimple fidget spinner. Very lightweight. And yeah. You don't weigh this with pounds, you should weigh this with grams. That's how light it is. I'm not even joking. And then the slimy thing, I guess, because I don't know what it's called. It's very satisfying. It's very stretchy. But be careful. Don't do this because it's going to go back. Well, bam. And it's going to hurt a lot. And these in the blue one, you have blue and green. And these things, these are pretty cool. They're not that cool because they're not that satisfying, but they're definitely a fidget to play with. If you get bored and there's like nothing to do, you should definitely get one of these. They help you out a lot. I mean, they're a great waste of time. Remember the good waste of time. Yeah, just play with this before dinner. Something or lunch or whatever, and yeah, it's pretty nice. And then the Rubik's Cube, we all love this, all of it. Most people though, they're really hard to solve though, but I like them. And yeah, that's it for the Rubik's Cube. And then this thing, very flexible. All the other fidgets. And yeah. You could also take pieces off of it. Yeah, like that. You can create other miniature ones. And then these eggs that I have to put in room temperature water. I'll probably show them to you in our next video. And football. That was louder than I thought. And this thing, a marble inside, and a bite chain. Pretty cool. And this cute cat, really cute and sticks, I think. It's really fun though, like very squishy. Stretchable. Don't stretch it too far because it might rip and you don't want that. It's a maze cube, I think. Oh, what's there? Oh well. Oh. Okay. Well, that's really fun. And last but not least, the stress ball. It's really fun and very stress relief. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.